How to fix Gmail email not sending on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix email not sending on Android phone. First open settings here and now scroll all the way down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Gmail and here you will find it. Click on it and then click force stop, and after that click storage and then click clear cache. And now just go back and restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and check if there's an update here, and then just update your Gmail. And that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.